guys, if you want to win yourself a duck, actually no, let's make it two ducklings, just like the ones that I just showed now. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and comment on this episode or on this video. Comment and say subscribed, and from that point we'll be able to contact you. If you've been selected, we'll be able to contact you and discuss where and when we will do the handover of the two ducklings. So please subscribe, comment on this video, say subscribed, and then we'll take it over from there. So good luck to all of you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the only way you'll be able to win, and I'll get in contact with you. So when it comes to the actual place where we might do the handover, I'm actually thinking of somewhere. So this is actually mostly for guys that are in Gauteng. So if you're in Gauteng, I'll be able to do the handover to you if you've been selected. After you subscribe and comment, I'll be able to do the handover somewhere in a public place. I'm thinking somewhere around Midrand, so there are some garages there, and then we'll be able to do the handover. So please comment after subscribing, say subscribed, and then we'll get in contact with you to do the necessary arrangements so that we can hand over the two ducklings to you. So two ducklings, guys, are at stake here. See you in the next video.